Hi, I'm Harry Smith from the Wigan Warriors, halfback, and today I'm going to be showing you a kicking masterclass on what the do's and don'ts are. So point one would be the warm-up. Necessarily in kicking, I'd say the main two muscles are your quads and your hamstrings that you warm up. So take a good 5-10 minutes before you start kicking to warm them up. Point two would be about the ball, and the cone is the equipment that we use. So place the ball on the cone however you feel comfortable, aiming at the middle or either one of the posts. So for me, as a left footer, I'd aim mine at the left stick, and if you're a right foot, I'd aim for the right stick. And then taking your position at the ball, wherever again, is all about comfortable, and taking, I'd say, 3 to 4 steps back, again, for comfortability, and then keeping your eye on the ball of where you want to hit the ball and striking through the ball as hard as you can, really. And step 3 would be executing. Another important piece of kit that we'll use is obviously the cone to keep the ball in the air to strike with. You can get various different types, but I like to keep mine quite low. So I'll place it down, again, line it up with the left stick, and placing the ball, try and use the middle line to aim, and put the ball right in the middle so it looks straight at where you're aiming. And then I'd try and have a 45-degree angle on the cone so the ball gets a nice trajectory, but not too high or too low. I'd say my pro tip to take away from this video is definitely the run up, taking your time and staying composed and finding where you want to strike the ball. Wow, couldn't kick that any better then. An extra tip that I'd talk about is obviously composure and the wind conditions that are around you. So obviously blocking out the noise of the crowd, just concentrate on your system and staying composed and focus on the ball. And also, obviously today it's a nice day, but always before every kick, check the wind, grab a bit of grass, throw it up, see where it's going. Obviously there's a little bit off the left, so I'll aim a little bit wider to let the ball come in nicely. And obviously when I take my steps back, I take 4 steps back. Again, it's different for everyone who's comfortable, but I'd say a very important point I find is on my walk up to the ball, I like to go very slow and not rush into the ball, because that's when you could lose technique and miss-strike the ball. So take your step back, nice and slow and controlled into the ball, and strike it well. Like and subscribe to the Myprotein YouTube channel and comment what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. You couldn't write that, could you?